Dear students, today once again we are going to solve a quadratic equation by the factorization method. Let us take an example of a quadratic equation which is little bit different than the previous maths, that is 2x square plus 5x minus 3 is equal to 0. With the previous maths, this maths little bit different by the sign. In the previous maths this sign was positive, here it is negative. How to solve this type of maths? For that, let us follow the following steps. Once again, you rewrite the equation 2x square plus 5x minus 3 is equal to 0. Implies 2x square plus this term to be split into two numbers so that this place is kept for 5, x minus 3 is equal to 0. Here this sign is negative, so that whatever numbers we are going to write here instead of 5, that one number will be positive and one number will be negative. Like previous one, first of all, by the coefficient of x square we have to multiply the constant term, that is 2 into minus 3, we get minus 6. Now to get the numbers here, first of all we have to find the prime factorization of 6, that is divisible by 2 3 times. Again this 3 is divisible by 3 1 times. So that prime factors of 6 are found 2, 3 and 1. The numbers we have to find from this the three factors, that is first of all, if we think one number is 2, another number is 3, 1s are 3, then difference of these two numbers is minus 1, which is not suitable because difference we are not getting 5, so that these two numbers 2 and minus 3 are not acceptable. So that we have to think the numbers in different way, that is we have to multiply these 2 and 3, it is 6 and next number is 1. Now let us find the difference of these two numbers is 5. Then you see difference of two numbers we have got 5 and product of these two numbers 6 and minus 1, 6 into minus 1 we have got minus 6 we have got, so that both the conditions are satisfied. Sum of whatever numbers we shall write here, sum of these two numbers should be 5 and product of these two numbers will be for minus 6, so that 6 and minus 1 is suitable for this. 6 minus 1, so that 6 minus 1 means it is 5. Then the process is same like previous one, we have to break the brackets. 2x square plus 6x minus x minus 3 is equal to 0. Now we have to find the common factors in these two terms and the common factors in these two terms. For that, we have to first of all we have to find the common numbers in these two terms, that is here 2 is common because here 2 is there, and in this 6 there also one 2 is there because 2 3s are 6, so that 2 we can take common. Here x square, that means x into x, here x is there in variable, here also x is there, so that x also can be taken common. 2x is the common factor. Then from this term 2 is taken common and 1x is taken, so that 1x is left, plus from this 6 2 is taken common, that is 3 is left and this x is taken common, that is close. Again in these two numbers, in number there is no common, here 1 is there, here 3 is there, so that number there is no common. Here variable is there, but in this term there is no variable, so that in variable also there is no common, so that no common means there is one common, 1 we shall take common. Then it is x. Now this sign If we take negative sign before the brackets, then whatever sign within the bracket it comes, that will be changed. If it is negative, then it will be positive, and if it is positive, then this sign will be changed to positive, so that this is negative side, so that this will be changed to positive. Then this 3 is equal to 0. Now this is a term and this is another term, then you have to check the common in these two terms. Then x plus 3 and x plus 3 is common, so that let us take common x plus 3. From this term 2x is left, and from this term minus 1 is left, is equal to 0. It is just like previous one, product of these two numbers is 0, so that any one of them must be 0, but we do not know whether this is 0 or this is 0, so that we shall consider either x plus 3 is equal to 0 or 2x minus 1 is equal to 0. It's a linear equation. It is very simple to solve. This numbers and the variable to be separated. This x is variable, it is kept in the left side, and this number plus 3 will be taken to right side. This is plus 3, so that it is minus 3. Then it is here also same, 2x is variable, minus 1 is number, so that 2x will be kept in left side, and this minus 1 will be taken to right side, then it is plus 1, like this. Then by the coefficient of x, both the sides to be divided, 2x by 2, and it is 1 by 2, and this 2 and 2 will be cancelled, so that this is x equal to, it is 1 by 2. Therefore we shall get the solution of this equation as minus 3 and half. Therefore roots of the equation is minus 3 and 1 by 2. Students, if you have understood this maths, then 2 more homeworks I shall give you, just to solve at home. Homeworks number 1, solve x square plus 5x minus 6 is equal to 0, and number 2, solve 3x square plus 4x minus 7 is equal to 0. This two you try at home by yourself. In the next class, once again we shall solve another maths, another quadratic equation by the same factorization method. Okay students, thank you. Try to solve these two maths.